Put your hands together with our ballerinas.
So sexy, mama so sexy, mama so sexy, so sexy, so sexy, you, 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 so sexy, so sexy, you. She's sexy. Alarma!
It's not a problem that I can't fix. Because I can do it.
Okay, thank you very much. That was our Mar staff, our buyouts. They call themselves the Basco Boys.
Thank you very much for the housekeeping
Once again,
department.
we follow on this swim event on stage.
So for now, we would just like to call Mr. Hussein Garan, our new general manager for the Doho Marriott Hotel, to give us our welcome message for them. Welcome aboard, Mr. Garan.
Good evening. I hope everybody having a wonderful and enjoyable time. First of all, I'd like to thank every one of you for welcoming me to the property. I have been working in many properties around the world, and this is the best hotel that I really feel welcome and as a part of the family. Thank you. On the second note, I'd like to thank every one of you for the great results of 2008, 2009, and 2010. I know Saeed wanted to be here himself to appreciate that, but unfortunately, as you know, he's gone away, but I'm so glad because I'm here now to enjoy it. And on the final note, you know, every function, every party that happens has a lot of people. They put a lot of time and efforts to put it together. And I'd like to ask Jenny to come up here. Jenny? And the ARC team. The rest of the ARC team, please come up here.
May we call on the ARC batch 2010?
My dear. Just hold, ah.
Headed by Miss Jennifer Smith.
Come on now, come on now, come on now.
Come left and right.
Come on, left and right, come on. You know, it's so amazing that, you know, all of these guys, they have a full-time job, and on the other side, they spend extra time and effort to put the entire things together, and thank you very much. And above and beyond that, it's all the sponsors, Kodak, and the wonderful DJ. Thank you very much for being here to make the party successful. And on the final note, please enjoy yourself. I hope that those of you guys that won the raffle at the entrance, keep the tickets. If you lose it, it means you lose it. If you don't, take it to Human Resources tomorrow or the day after and pick up your gift. And for those associates that are not here tonight, please let them know they can go to HR and pick up their raffle ticket. Thank you very much. Enjoy the night.
Thank you very much. Our new General Manager, Mr. Hossein Buran, the ARC team.
Buddy! Pero linis natin sa side, diba? Hindi naman sa side, wala pa akong binabawa sa bigas natin eh. Hindi pa ako nag-video, pwede yung tumawa.
Huli ka rin! Akala mo ha?
Isa pa lang yung sinasahin ko eh.
Yes, B ha? Akala mo ha? Hindi ako maghuhuli sa'yo.
Hindi pa ako nag-video. Hindi pa ako nakakas. Kumando. Sunod ko yung kamahalan.
Itong kata rin to, kanina pa to eh.
Kaya mo tayo. Pwede, di ba yun? Pwede ba iwasan kamay ng tumindi na ng bigay? Meron ba?
Okay na yan.
Ikaw ang ring ng mga payo to the blackboard. Yo, yaw, birthday ni Bayaw. Kung pinang-ilang pelikula yan, kasi lang, oh, dali. Walang... Ay, video na, uy! Nagbibidyo pa doon sa kabila, oh! Puta ka nito marunong! Nakakawin! Nakabidyo na! Nakabidyo na! Sayang! Sayang! Happy birthday, bro! Sayang! 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 Hey! Yaw, yaw! Happy birthday, yaw! Lak mo! Yaw, yaw! Gangsta for life.
Hindi masyado makita, madilim eh.
Ano ba ma... Philippine, pare.
Madilim.
Pero mami, siya ayaw mo yung cellphone. Mainit po yung gago. Shisha plus vodka. 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 Ano. Sound trip po. Ayun pa uminom, may walang kain. Walang kain yan. Yung cellphone ko. Unang kuwi tama yan. Excited eh. Excited. Pare. Manuel. Ronnie, say hi. Say hi. Hi. Kampay-kampay. Motherfuckers. Yo.
Madilim eh. Medyo umano ko rin oh. Medyo sumandang tumigit ron. Pasok ka sa loob. Pasok ka muna sa loob para makita. Yun. Yun.
Wika.
Hindi pa pulasing yan. Nakainom pa lang.
Wika. In English, I don't know.
Subukan ko yan.